Hi, so this will be part one of my video series this week. I decided to choose web applications and websites that could be used during our school's what they call second step time. We have second step time on Tuesdays and Thursdays where students participate in some like personal development exercises and learning. But on Thursdays every week we do some other guided activities. Sometimes the school provides us with activities, but sometimes we have to kind of come up with our own plan. So I thought it would be cool to maybe pick some constructive resources that could also inspire students to focus on some personal and professional development. Maybe some team building and that sort of thing. So for my first resource, I chose TED-Ed. TED-Ed has a variety of different resources available. You can search by different lesson topic, content area. So if I go here, for me, I'm an art teacher. I could look at different art videos. I've used some of these in the past. There's some really great ones that focus on different art movements or specific artworks or specific artists, and the videos are typically pretty interesting. They have really cool animations that go along with them, and I found a lot of students were pretty interested in those. But they also have some that highlight critical thinking topics. So if I go down here to thinking and learning, there's all of these options to choose from. So one resource I thought was kind of cool was this organization and time management section here. So there's a lot of really thought-provoking articles available on here, or video recordings rather, TED Talks, and a lot of them have really nice, well put together presentations with animations that are really fun to watch. But also when you choose them, they have some lesson planning resources already built into each video that's on this website. So if I go here, of course you can watch the video, so this is where you can show the students or send them a link to get to this page. They can also go over here to think. There's already multiple choice questions built in that students can answer. Over here in Dig Deeper, there's more information and links to other articles on that page. And then here in Discuss is like a web forum. You can answer their discussion questions, so students could post and participate in that. I think to post on here you just have to be 13 years of age or older. But I mean, like, the questions are great. You could, even if kids weren't old enough to use the website the way it's shown here, there's already all these questions and discussion questions, so higher level thinking questions that are available that you could snatch up and use along with your lessons. So I thought that was pretty interesting. You can also create your own lessons on here, so you can pick a video, add your own questions, discussion prompts, etc. Share that lesson with your students, track their progress. So you just have to sign up on this web page, but it's free. So anyway, I look forward to using this more in my class. I didn't realize all these resources were available, despite having seen some of these videos. So that's my first resource, and stay tuned for my next one.